Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, August 14th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So, I have a confession to make. I think I've been wrong this entire time. Okay? And what I mean is, I think that I used to look at opportunities and think that the best opportunity was the one that had the highest payout. Okay? You know, the ones with the higher ticket opportunities. And even though I didn't really partake in a whole lot of them, and I still don't. I have a couple that are higher tickets. But that's not the case, I don't think. I think that the best opportunities are the ones that provide real value, okay? And I'm not talking about opportunities where, you know, you're getting your supplements and things like that, because that's real value. I'm talking about QuickSilver. I think QuickSilver is the number one opportunity right now. And the reason I think that it's the number one opportunity is simply because you are getting tangible assets delivered to your mailbox every single month, while giving the opportunity to make a side income with it. Right? So there are other places out there where you can go and buy gold and silver, but you don't have the opportunity side attached to it. And I think that's why I love QuickSilver. And I've been a part of QuickSilver for a while now, all right? And I've only done a handful of videos on it because I never really, you know, when I saw it, I was stacking silver for a long time. I've been stacking silver for a long time. My father was a coin collector. He used to go metal detecting. You know, when he passed away, he left his coin collection to me. So I've got tons of coins, you know, and I don't really know a whole lot about silver and gold. You know, I'm by no means an expert in it. Honestly, I don't really even know too much about the coins that my father left me. All right. I've collected them, but I never really dove deep into the world of coin collecting and silver and gold. But the more that I'm learning about it, the more fascinating it is becoming to me, and the more I'm going to make videos about QuickSilver, okay? Simply because it's an opportunity that provides real value every single month and builds residual income, all right? And if you haven't watched my video from yesterday, there'll be a link down in the description box, my previous video. Go and watch it. You know, I think there's no better time than right now to buy and start stacking silver and gold. And you can do that for a very affordable price with QuickSilver. And, you know, you get the wealth platform for less than 10 bucks a month to have the affiliate side. And their prices are just above spot price. I mean, they're very comparable to the other places that I buy silver from. Very comparable. And when you factor in the fact that they have an affiliate program to it where they're paying out commissions 7 different ways, and on top of that, they're feeding starving children with some of the money that they make. You know, I couldn't resist the opportunity when my sponsor showed it to me. And, you know, I was like, yeah, I'm all in. I don't mind if I pay an extra $1 or $2 to buy a piece of silver, knowing that, you know, the company's feeding starving children, and there's an opportunity side where you can earn up to $20,000 a month. Now, I can't guarantee you'll make any money. It's all dependent on your work ethic. But the cool part about it is that even if you're not referring people, you're still getting tangible assets delivered to your door every single month. So you're still building wealth, right? Because in my video yesterday, I talk about we don't know what's going to happen to the dollar bill. The dollar bill's lost 96% of its purchasing power since 1913, right? And inflation is still here, which, you know, it's just, we don't know what's going to happen with the dollar bill. It could completely collapse. Our whole monetary system could collapse. It's possible. So that is why I'm really focusing on QuickSilver now, and I'm not getting rid of my other opportunities. Don't worry, I'm still part of all the other opportunities. I'm still going to share those too. I still love it. But I just think that it's important to have something of value, that a tangible asset that you can hold in your hand, that you can put in your safe, that you can have on hand if something hits the fan, if something hits the fan, right? To use it to barter, to trade, to pay for things if the economy collapses, or who knows what's going to happen. These are uncertain times that we're living in, for sure. But I really love the idea that you're getting real value, okay? And I'm not saying that when you're buying supplements, they're not valuable, or if you're getting training, it's not valuable or anything like that. But this is something that's going to continue to go up in price, right? Gold and silver, it's been collected for thousands of years, and you can go all the way back since they started tracking it, and it just continues to go up. Yeah, there's times where it goes down, but generally speaking, it's gone up over all these years, and it continues to do so. And I believe that it will continue to, because the feds can print all the money that they want to, right? Which devalues the dollar even more, but they can't print gold and silver. And it's something that they cannot take away from you, right? I talked about it yesterday. Banks freeze funds sometimes. We've seen it. Credit cards freeze accounts sometimes for no reason. You don't have to worry about that with gold and silver. And I do believe at some point in time, you're going to find where people will accept gold and silver for payments for, cars, houses, whatever. I don't know. I'm thinking that that'll happen someday, but who really knows? But I love the tangible assets, and I love the fact that even if you don't, if you're not a big time recruiter, or you're just starting out and you're not sure how to bring people into an opportunity, this is perfect because you're getting that tangible asset every single month, right? And I just look at like the referral side as a bonus, the affiliate side as a bonus. It's really a no-brainer to me. But you can certainly create a steady monthly residual income with this opportunity if you join and put in the work while you're building your investment portfolio, okay? So that's why I think that QuickSilver is the #1 opportunity right now, and probably going into 2026 and beyond, because I think that it's just super important to have silver and gold on hand. That's just my belief. Again, I'm not an expert. I'm not a professional financial analyst or anything like that, or a financial advisor or anything like that. Go do your own due diligence. I'm just telling you my thoughts on it and why I think QuickSilver is the #1 opportunity. And it's going to be something that I'm going to start sharing and talking about more and more, especially as I dive deeper into learning about gold and silver. I'm going to share everything with you. All right? I think it's just a no-brainer. It's just a no-brainer, okay? So that's it for this video. I just wanted to talk about that. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'll have a link down below. You can go and get a free silver bar right now, just for checking out the opportunity. You just have to pay a small shipping fee. I think it's less than $3, and you can get your own free silver bar while supplies last. All right, so you can go to silverstackingempire.com, silverstackingempire.com. The link will be down below this video. But listen, you can stack silver and build wealth at the same time with this opportunity. And again, to me, that's just a no-brainer. So if you want something real that's not hyped up, it has transparent owners. It's been around now for 6 years, I believe. And it's just a solid opportunity that isn't going to go anywhere. They continue to add products and, make things better for everybody. I think it's something worth checking out. It doesn't hurt you to check it out. Get your free silver bar. Like I said, it's less than $3 for the shipping. Okay. So if you have any questions about this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. And if you find value in it, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, oh, by the way, I know somebody's going to ask why I don't have my black shirt on. I'm on my way to play golf today with my cousin. So I had to stop at the soap shop really quickly. just to check in there, and then I am on my way to the golf course. It's supposed to get sunnier out today, so it should be a nice day to play some golf. Excited about that. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.